Did you know Patagonia is a land of prehistoric giants? Argentina's Patagonia region is one of the world's most important fossil sites, where paleontologists have uncovered some of the largest dinosaurs to ever walk the Earth. Among them is Argentinosaurus, a massive plant-eating dinosaur estimated to have been over 35 meters, 115 feet long, the size of a whole soccer field. Even today, Patagonia continues to reveal new fossils, helping scientists unlock more secrets of the ancient world. For more fascinating facts, songs, and stories, visit www.youtube.com at HighTenKids.